to another video, and today we're going to be opening cars again. And the first one we're going to be opening is the Carbonator. So what I like this one is that's a pot, and this is a can opener. And like the wheels, and right here. And the second one we're going to be opening is the Lamborghini Murcielago. So what I like about this one is that it's a Lamborghini and it has these stripes on it. And that's a Lamborghini. And it's yellow. And the last one we're going to be opening is a Haulinator. So what I like about this one is that it's a tow truck. You can tow cars around, and that's orange. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, turn on the post notifications, and subscribe. Bye!